Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the reproductive adaptations of angiosperms. As you are aware that angiosperms are the most diverse and geographically widespread of all plants, including more than 90% of living plant species. There are about 250,000 known species of angiosperms which have occupied almost all habitats and different ecosystems on this planet Earth. Now, when we talk about the reproductive adaptations, we know that angiosperms, these are the vascular plants that reproduce sexually by forming flowers, and after unique double fertilization process, it retains seed within the fruits or their ovary, which ripens to become a fruit. Now, these fruits, they protect the developing seeds and often aid in their dispersal. All our major foods and crops are flowering plants, including cereal crops such as rice, wheat, corn, barley, etc. Now, when we talk about the reproductive adaptations, one of the most fascinating adaptation is shorter amount of time between pollination and fertilization. This allows angiosperms to produce seeds earlier after pollination as compared to gymnosperms, which provides angiosperms a distinct evolutionary advantage over their counterpart gymnosperms. Angiosperms are seed plants with reproductive structures known as flowers and fruits. Flowers are very unique structures which angiosperms have, and they are specialized for sexual reproduction within these plants. When we talk about the flowers, they are equipped with different scents, with different sweet nectars, as well as different colors, which attract a lot of insects. Those insects come in close contact with the flowers where male as well as female reproductive organs are present. From male reproductive organ, pollens are attached with those insects and they are disseminated to the larger areas. Now, a flower is a specialized shoot that can have up to 4 types of modified leaves, which are known as sporophylls. They are also known as floral organs. Petals are one of the famous floral organs which increases the beauty of forest and woodlands. When we talk about the fruits, as seed develops from ovules after fertilization, ovary wall thickens and the ovary matures into a fruit, which is a very important aspect of the adaptations of these angiosperms. These fruits protect seed and they aid in their dispersal. It could be fleshy or it could be dry, and dispersal of seed can also take place through water, just like the coconut fruit, and it can also through animal feces or by attaching on to different animals, and they can also disperse through winds.